Good afternoon, children. We have been studying geography, that is chapter 7, the major industries. In the last videos, we have discussed so many things related to this topic. The next point is that some major industries. This explanation will give us a lot of information about the major industries in the world. Let us now look at some of the major industries involved in the production of a variety of goods required by man. These industries can be broadly classified or divided into two categories. What are these two categories? Number one, heavy industries, including iron and steel, metallurgical, heavy machinery, heavy chemicals, transport equipment, and fertilizer industries. These are some important categories of the industries. Light industries, including textile, sugar, food processing, electrical and electronic goods, and various consumer goods industries. The first is iron and steel. This is broadly located in our country and also in rest part of the world, because iron is such a metal which is utilized in a number of manufacturing tools, machines, bodies. Means there is fundamental manufacturing, various manufacturing of iron. The iron and steel industry involves the manufacture of pig iron, steel and steel products such as sheets, bars, billets, rods, and cables. Its use in most other industries, either as a raw material or in machinery, is what makes this industry the most basic of all industries. The iron and steel industry is an indicator of a country's industrial status. No doubt, this type of industry, iron and steel industry, show the or indicate the country's prosperity or country's strength. To make steel, the main raw materials are iron ore, limestone, coking, coal and manganese. As these are required in large quantity and because they are bulky, the iron and steel mills are preferably located near the source of the raw materials. The industries are located near the raw material sites because it requires the material always for the production of different types of things. This industry also requires a good transport system. China, Japan, Russia, the US, Ukraine, Germany, and the UK lead the world production. They are the leading producer of iron goods, steel goods, which is transported from the country to different part of the world. France, Southern Australia, and India are also major producers. Brazil, South Africa, Colombia, Italy, Canada, Poland, and Belgium are smaller producers. They are the smaller producer of all these goods. India's iron and steel industry is primarily located in the Chota Nagpur Plateau, where all the raw materials are available. The main centers are Rourkela, Bhilai, Asansol, Durgapur, Bokaro, and Jamshedpur. These are the major sites of iron and steel production. Other centers are Bhadravati, the Vijayanagar in Karnataka, and Salem in Tamil Nadu. These are also important sites to produce iron from there. Chemicals. The chemical industry uses a great variety of raw materials to produce an enormous range of products: acid, bases, salts, alcohol, alkalis, caustic soda, dyes, bleaches, reagents, and drugs, among others. The chemicals are also required. A plenty number of chemicals are required to produce different types of ranges, including them these chemicals: acids, bases, salts, alcohol, alkalis, caustic soda, dyes, bleaches. All these things are required for the industry. As most of the products are used in the manufacture of different industrial products such as glass, fertilizers, rubber, leather, paper, pharmaceuticals, and other. We can say that this is a basic industry. No doubt about that. Many of the products are there. They are used in manufacturing of different industrial production. जैसे ग्लास है, फर्टिलाइजर्स है, रबर है, लेदर है, पेपर है, फार्मास्यूटिकल आइटम्स हैं. ये सारे ये बेसिक इंडस्ट्री हैं जिनको हम अपने देश में तैयार करते हैं. बाहर से भी, विदेश के देशों से भी हम इसका इंपोर्ट करते हैं. द केमिकल इंडस्ट्री यूजेस minerals like coal, petroleum, sulfur, potash, limestone, gypsum, salts, as well as wood. Vegetables and animal produce as its raw materials. It also depends on skilled labor and the latest technology and requires a huge capital investment. The US is the world's largest chemical manufacturer. Russia, the CIS states, Germany, UK, France, Italy, China, Japan, Canada, and Australia are also major producers. In India, Alway, Jamshedpur, Kolkata, Mumbai, and Ahmedabad are the important centers for the chemical industry. Vadodara, Mathura, Haldia, and Trombay are centers for petrochemical. Transport equipment. The manufacture of transport equipment is important in all technologically advanced countries of the world. It includes the manufacture of motor vehicles, artifacts, aircrafts, ships, locomotive, and rolling stock like coaches and wagons. These are also the main equipment which are transported. These accelerate the movement of goods and hence contribute towards development. So, in this way, we have seen up to here about the discussion of major industries. Next, we shall discuss in the next videos tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Till then, do your task properly in your homework and assignment.